Custom lakefront 1 hour to NYC offers deep water location. Boathouse, heated in-ground pool and amazing outdoor living space with lawn, patio and decks. Spacious 3-level living, finished walk-out/in-law. 7-bedroom, 5 baths, flexible floor plan designed to entertain 3,268 on first and second floor plus finished walkout lower level approx 3,800. City water/sewer and natural gas in the street. Enjoy NJ largest lake 9 miles to explore by motorboat, kayak, paddle boards. Amazing sailing, fishing, swimming. Bike to nearby hiking trails. 30 minutes to major ski/golf and spa resort. 4-season vacation home, this one won't last.